Hi, it's Kimberly, and today I am going to read to you how to write blog posts that show up on Google and Pinterest. If you are a business owner writing your own blogs, you already know how valuable your time is. You're squeezing content in between clients, dinner, soccer practice, and the 100 little tasks that keep your business and family running. So when you spend hours writing a blog post to only get crickets, it's frustrating and honestly discouraging. But here's the good news. You don't have to write one version for Google and a totally different version for Pinterest. You don't need you don't need double the work to get double the visibility. You only need one clear blogging strategy that works for both platforms. This is how you write blog posts that attract traffic, grow your audience, and build trust without burning yourself out. Let's break this down in a way that actually feels doable. Why most business owners struggle with blog visibility. Google and Pinterest want different things, or at least that's what it seems. Google wants expert, in depth content that answers real questions. Pinterest wants beautiful, helpful visuals that make people click or save. On the surface, those feel like opposite directions. So most owners do one of two things. They write blogs that are great for Google and ignore Pinterest, or they create pretty graphics for Pinterest but write thin content that Google won't rank. But here's the real truth. Both platforms want useful, clear content that solves a problem. Both want strong keywords. Both reward consistency, quality, and helpfulness. Once you understand that, writing for both becomes simple. The mistakes that keep your blog invisible. If you're not getting traction, it's usually because of small, totally fixable issues like your blog doesn't match what people are actually searching for. Two, you're writing long paragraphs without visuals. Three, you're using titles that don't include keywords. Four, your sections are too broad or vague. Five, your images aren't optimized or renamed correctly. Six, you didn't create graphics specifically for Pinterest. None of these mean you're doing anything wrong. They just mean you weren't taught how to write for search engines. And let's fix that. Google SEO versus Pinterest SEO. Here's the simple way to understand it. Google cares about clear headers that answer real questions, deep, helpful content, keywords used naturally, internal links, structure, formatting, and clarity. While Pinterest cares about eye catching vertical graphics, keywords in your pin title and description, clear, benefit driven headlines, fresh pins you post consistently. You can write a single blog post that satisfies both if you structure it well. The simple dual platform blogging strategy, aka your new framework. This is the same system I teach my clients who write their own content. Step one, choose topics that work on both platforms. The best topics are searchable, problem focused, easy to visualize, and helpful. Ask yourself, if someone searched this phrase on Google or Pinterest, would my blog solve their problem? If yes, then it's a great topic. Step two, structure your blog for skimmers and search engines. Most visitors skim first. Google and Pinterest skim too. They need clear structure to understand your content. Use this simple structure. One, use descriptive headers. Use the biggest reason your blog isn't getting traffic instead of introduction. Keep paragraphs short. Let's say 2 to 4 sentences max. Add bullet points for clarity. People love scannable content, and so does Google. Include quotable statements. Short, clear lines like Pinterest isn't social media, it's a visual search engine. Add FAQs at the end. This helps Google understand your expertise. And last, add visuals every few scrolls. Screenshots, pins, images, anything to break up text. Step three, write for real people. If you're a business owner writing your own content, good news, you're already closer to your reader than most writers. Just make sure you cover these. 1. Front load the value. Tell people what they'll learn immediately. 2. Use keyword variations, not stuffing variations. Example, Pinterest SEO, Pinterest marketing, how to grow on Pinterest. Use you language. Blog posts perform better when they feel like a conversation. Give exact steps. Tell people how to do something, not just why. Add real examples. Your business experience is your superpower. Step 4, optimize your images. This matters more than you think. For Google, rename your images descriptively, add alt text, and compress them for faster loads. For Pinterest, create vertical graphics, add big, clear headlines, use warm, bold colors. Pinterest loves these. Embed the Pinterest graphics inside your blog. This helps your content get saved and shared. Step 5, make your blog AI friendly. This sounds fancy, but it's simple. AI tools like ChatGPT pull content that is clearly structured, easy to skim, written by someone with experience, labeled with headers, lists, tables, and FAQs. If your content is organized, AI tools are more likely to pull your insights, meaning more organic visibility. Your Pinterest game plan after the blog is published. 1. Create multiple pin graphics. Different designs equals more reach. I create about 10 different pins for each one of my blogs. Write keyword rich descriptions. Put the most important words first. 3. Use clean branding. Your fonts, your colors, your style. 4. Pin consistently. Not constantly, consistently. Mistakes most business owners make and how to fix them. Not checking search intent. Search your topic on Google and Pinterest before writing. Writing generic content. Share your stories, your examples, your experience matters. Forgetting technical SEO. Install Rank Math or Yoast. It will guide you on getting a greater value on SEO. I use Rank Math with my website. Posting whenever you remember. Create a simple posting rhythm. It's better than a complicated system. I post each week on one of the following topics: email marketing, social media, blogging, or holidays in the coming month. I post on social media, send out an email with my blog, and I post on Pinterest. Currently, I only pin 3 posts a day, Monday through Friday. In 2026, I hope to pin more. Remember, baby steps. That's what I always preach, baby steps. Do what you can. And not updating old blogs. Refreshing content helps Google trust your site. This is something I need to work on. Your action plan. This week, choose one blog post to optimize. Add stronger headers, add 2 to 3 pin graphics, and add FAQs at the end. This month, publish 2 to 4 new posts, pin consistently, and refresh one older blog. This quarter, build content around your main topics, update your top performing posts, and test new Pinterest designs. You don't need perfection, you just need consistency. The bottom line is you don't need 2 separate content strategies. You don't need more hours, and you just need a framework that works for Google, Pinterest, and your business. This is how you build authority, grow your visibility, attract clients, create content that actually converts, and most importantly, this is how you keep content creation simple, calm, and sustainable. Thanks, and make today amazing.